What's up, fam? It's your boy Connor, O-Town G. Today we're bringing you a video about the Lexus GX470 Beatsonic head unit install with nav, and I've got the cassette player thing. We're swapping that out for the Alpine Bluetooth, and we also just did a repair on the Mark Levinson speakers. Yep, this is the head unit we're gonna try and put in. I've never ran any wires before, so I'll let you know how it goes. I didn't see any videos out there, so I figured I would make one. So, the Beatsonic Lexus GX470 installed. Today's day 2. We didn't get it done last night, but we got everything out. We got the new Alpine unit plugged in, and now we are just connecting wires. I have no experience hooking up wires and whatnot, so we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, so I think we have everything hooked up. So yeah, all we have to do now is figure out where we're going to ground these two wires and then put it all back together and see what happens. Alright guys, so we got it. Don't know how everything stayed together. It was not easy shoving it all back there. The grounding wires is where it gets tough. Mine are just kind of rigged up right there and there. I've got them running like back through the glove compartment box down, and then they're under this mat, and I've got them grounded to some little metal things back behind there. And yeah, reverse camera works, the Bluetooth works, USB. I didn't get my FM or radio going, but I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, the install overall is definitely not easy. They made it look a lot easier on the Beatsonic website and whatnot, but it is doable.